Okay, so you have $10,000 and you are looking to invest that money. What I would tell you is if you're not making at least $10,000 a month or more, before you even think about putting this money into assets like real estate, stocks, index funds, bonds, and things like that, I would take this $10,000 and I would invest it into skill sets that will allow me to magnify my income. You see, the ultimate wealth builder of all is your income, learning how to provide more value for people to earn more money. And if you can learn how to double or triple your income, this will far exceed anything else. Let me give you an example. For less than $10,000, you could easily start a service-based business and start earning your first $10,000 a month or more. And if you're only making $30,000, $40,000 a year, that's over 3 times the income. You could take that extra $60,000 and start pumping that into assets and build way more wealth while living a better lifestyle in the process. And that is the secret. Focus on income first, get to your first $10,000 a month. Then when you have that excess capital, begin investing it into asset classes. Now, I recently posted a video on the smartest route to $10,000 a month on my YouTube channel, where I walk through step-by-step how to go from 0 to your first 10K a month. And I was able to do the same strategy in less than a year. Be sure to watch that video. I'll leave a link below in the description box.